it's not slippery. Welcome back. I've been getting a lot of grief because everything that I've been cooking has apparently been not healthy. Not going to mention any names. So instead, I thought I would do something with a lot of vegetables. So let's get into it. I'm changing it up. Normally I start with this bad boy. I start with these today. And I got given this as a Kris Kringle, you know, Secret Santa, whatever, at work. And it's a crinkle cut. So I'm gonna crinkle cut my carrots. Just something a bit different. I'm sure there's a scientific reason. Maybe it holds more juices or something when you get them in there. But the idea is that I want everything to be able to be eaten with a fork. I don't want to cook a stew and then have to sort of use a knife for it. So I'm not going to. Well, there you go, Tim. Celery. That healthy enough for you? The onions got me. Got some beef chuck. Sticking it. Again, small pieces I'm not going to have to cut after I'm finished cooking, so they recommend maybe an inch squared. I'm just going with like what'll fit in my mouth and fit easily. I'm not sure if you can hear that crunching, but that is my beautiful wife snacking in the other room. Snacking because it ages to actually finish this. Sorry, baby. Probably a good point to mention right now is I've never made this before, so we'll see how we go. But apparently if I use some flour and salt and pepper on the meat and just shake it up in a bag, and before I chuck it in to brown it, it comes out heaps better. Let's give it a go. Looking pretty coated. gonna say that looks far too hot. Yeah, it's sticking. And it's supposed to be seared. Alright, let's get it out. Let's stick it on a plate. It's browned up nicely. And gotta say, the little bit of flour seems to have made gravy. Who would have thought? Flour and meat juice, gravy. Yeah, anyone who's ever made gravy. I'm doing this all in one pot, baby. Carrot, onion, celery, mixture. Add some minced garlic. About 3 cloves worth. Tomato paste. That is a helicopter flying past to make sure we are still staying at home. So it's become quite 1984. Very much a surveillance state going on right now. I'm not going to go into that. Let's have fun and eat instead. Let's give it a minute. So grab a half moon. Some meat back in here. Juicy mix up. You hear that? Yeah, how juicy that sounds. Right, now we're adding the liquids. Beef stock. This is where all the crap in the bottom is going to come off. Look at it, just washing away all of that lovely stuff. So that'll cook in. All that flavour is still going to be there, so don't stress. That is the exact same helicopter going back to make sure we're all staying inside. Worcestershire. About a tablespoon, right? Yeah. Thyme is on my side. Yes, it is. Some bay leaves. Why not? Let's move you around. This is where we're going to get all that lovely flavour off the bottom of the pot. As soon as this starts heating up, stuff just going to peel off, flow through into the stew. It's going to be beautiful. Forgot something. A bit of red wine. So on a cup. It's not quite a cup. Wife is trying to sneak. Say hi, baby.
I'm not here.
She's like full on hiding from the camera. So what I need to do is bring it to a boil and turn it up. Hey, Set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Starting now.
Thank you. No stew is completely out of potatoes. I got some little ones. Potatoes. Potatoes go in the pot. Simmering away. Let them simmer in here for about 15 minutes until they're nice and soft. Easy to eat. How's it going? I'm a dirty smiley face.
15 minutes. Starting now.
Thank you.
Just doing my job.
I love you. While this is simmering away for the next 15 minutes, add some smoked paprika. Down. And I'm going to add a little bit of chili. Is that it? Chili. Can you see it? Yeah, chili. We'll turn it into a stew now. Alright, the age-old question. Can you crinkle cut a zucchini? I'm assuming it's a yes, but see how we go. Seems alright. This thing's great. That'll do it. I always drop one piece. No matter what it is. Always one. Nobody wants too much green stuff on top of their food. Unless it's tasty. Don't be over there for the minute. Just a smile ahead. Let's get you in there first. Get you all in there, get you going, get you bubbling, so I can clean up all the peas on the floor. Yeah, this is going to be healthy. Look at all the healthy stuff in here, Tim. Just look at it.